I'm using Fenugreek here. I love using this. I use it straight out the bag, the powder, mix it with a little bit of water. I'm going to show you what I do when I wash my hair, so come along with me. I'm preparing to wash my hair, but I got a lot of dandruff, so I'm going to try to scratch some of them up before. Scalp is really dry. So what I'm doing here is just scratching up some of that flaky dryness off of my scalp before I go in and treat it with the apple cider vinegar and water mixture. I spray it on to my scalp and let it sit 5 to 10 minutes. I didn't want it to sit any longer because it does cause a little bit of minor burning sensation, especially if you have a sensitive scalp like me. So I didn't want it to sit on there long. And then I washed it out and shampooed my hair before doing my conditioner treatment. I have a bottle. I'm going to fill it with water and some apple cider vinegar, and I'm going to spray my scalp and let it sit a few minutes before I go wash my hair. Okay, so I'm going to pour some straight out the bottle. And as you can see here, I focused more on my scalp because that is the dirtiest part of my hair. Versus spraying it on my ends. I tried not to spray it on my ends, but focus more on the roots of my hair. And just let it set for 5 to 10 minutes and rinsed it out. I went ahead and shampooed my hair first because I didn't want to apply the fenugreek paste mixture to dirty hair. Although you can do this, it's easier if you damp your hair or wet your hair before. So I just went ahead and treated my scalp first, get some of the dirt off of it so it can have a more better outcome results. Then I went back in with the fenugreek after the first wash. So here I'm opening the package of the fenugreek straight out the packet in the powder form. I just simply pour a small amount in the bowl. I actually poured a little bit too much, but it's okay if you don't need to use it all. I would try to use it because it does soak up a lot of moisture. I just kept adding water and more water, as you can see, and it just kept soaking up all of that moisture to form that nice paste that you see here to apply to my hair. So guys, here I didn't realize that my camera volume wasn't recording. So I was basically just talking about the texture of the mixture there. It's simply just the powder mixed with some water. And the more water I poured and added to the fenugreek powder, the more it soaked up that water. So it was just a really pasty substance there. And that's what I'm describing there in the video. And if you like, you can add a conditioner to it to kind of loosen up some of that texture when you applying it to your hair and make it a little bit easier. Or you can just simply wet your hair, make sure it's damp enough, and as long as you got enough moisture to give you some slip when you're applying it to your hair, will make it a lot easier. So I had to re-wet my hair so it can be a little bit easier for applying the fenugreek paste to my hair. So I just worked my way all around my head, applying the paste all over and just rubbing it in, taking the time to rub it in. It is very crummy. So because it soaks up all the moisture. It literally soaks up all the moisture. So you have to make sure that you are rubbing it in very thoroughly when you're applying it to your hair. But you can just go back in and add some water to it after you get the paste mixture in your hair, and that's what helps to create that nice slip. And with some water, kind of wet your hair again to help distribute it throughout your hair and throughout your scalp properly. So I wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to comb through your hair after applying the fenugreek paste. Literally, I can sit there and comb through my hair. I can even detangle it with my fingers if I wanted to. So this is my last wash. I'm washing out all of that fenugreek paste, and then I'm going to go ahead and moisturize and style my hair after. Oils, tea tree, peppermint, rosemary. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do to my hair. I'm going to let it air dry, probably plait it up, air dry my hair, and style it the next day. And that's what I did to moisturize my hair using fenugreek. My hair feels really, really soft and lightweight, and I love it. I'm going to continue to use it. And if you guys try it out, let me know how you like it. Put it in the comments. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.